So today we're going to be looking at the M57 ergonomic chair by Sihoo, and we are going to find out whether it is actually comfortable to buy in 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today Sihoo have kindly sent out their M57 ergonomic chair, and I'm super excited to try it out. As I'm someone that spends a large amount of my time working on my desk, I'm always on the lookout for a chair that provides me with optimum comfort while providing great posture and support. Previously I had the chance to use the MD90 chair and I really like it so far. As with all Sihoo products that I've received, they always come in a cardboard box, and when opening it up you can see that all the parts come very well packaged to keep everything well protected, which is always a plus. When putting this chair together, I would recommend that you lay down all the parts to make things easier. We also get a nice little toolkit to help us put it together. The way I like to assemble this chair is by starting from the base and upwards. To guide you, you can either use the user manual provided, which is frankly straightforward, or you can watch a YouTube video that was kindly created by Sihoo, and it pretty much takes you through all the steps you need to know. I'll leave a link in the description below to that video if you guys want to check it out. I started off by attaching the caster wheels to the base of the chair. When doing so, make sure that you push with a bit of force until the wheels are fully locked in. You then go ahead and insert the gas lift piston within its base, and be sure to give it a little spin to ensure the wheel casters are correctly placed. I then screwed the armrest in each side of the seat cushion using 3 screws on each side, and be sure to make use of the hex wrench provided. Make sure that you screw these as tight as possible so that they remain in place. Also, it is very important that you attach these on the correct side. There usually is a letter indicating which side you can place them on, so you don't get confused and have to dismantle it again. The next step was to screw the lever mechanism to the bottom of the seat, and once that was done, I inserted the backrest using its backplate into the seat cushion, and I used the screws provided to screw it in place. I then inserted the chair into the gas lift mechanism, and the final step was to insert the headrest into the slot found behind the backrest, and the chair build was finally complete. My first impressions of this ergonomic chair is that it looks really nice with its beautiful mesh design, adjustable armrest, lumbar support, and comfy headrest. When sitting down, I immediately noticed how comfortable the base cushion of the chair was, and of course, the protruding lumbar support is essential to help reduce the tension in the lower back. Whether it is comfortable, I would definitely say so. I've managed to work on it for around 6 hours and I didn't feel any discomfort at all. The lumbar support provides adequate support for those long work hours, and the breathable mesh design keeps you from sweating while ensuring total comfort. In terms of design, I really like going for products that are minimal while providing optimum functionality. I ended up going for the black colour right here so that it matches the black tabletop of my standing desk. However, you do have the option to opt for a grey colour if you prefer that. From my experience, I have always faced some issues when it comes to purchasing a chair online, because when it arrives it is either too big or too small for my workspace. But for me, this chair is the perfect size, and as you can see, it truly adds to the desk setup. The fully breathable and elastic polyethylene and polyester mesh design provides optimum comfort with a good amount of give, while keeping you cool during the warm days. The 3D armrests can be adjusted forwards and backwards, and they can also move sideways. Depending on the position you are sitting at, you can adjust the height too. The armrests are an awesome addition to relax your shoulders and arms, therefore allowing you to focus on getting your work done. The double adjustment lumbar support allows you to truly take full control, so you can adjust it to your liking and provide good posture when working for long hours. The multi-dimensional adjustable headrest can be adjusted to fully fit the cervical vertebra and relieve any pressure buildup. It can be fully adjusted for each individual with a 45-degree angle and a 9cm height. When you want to kick back and relax after a long day, then don't you worry, because this chair has you covered with a 126-degree 3-level recline. Each level can be locked by pushing down this lever right here, The height can also be adjusted to your liking using the same lever. The chair legs are super stable with a durable and clean design. They are also fairly quiet when I'm moving from side to side. I love the ergonomic S-curve design along with the waterfall arc seating design, which makes this chair a classic symbol of comfort for all you people that spend hours on your desk. Now when it comes to the price, this chair currently comes at £319.99, which is fairly expensive. But what justifies its price is that it delivers what an actual ergonomic chair promises, which is providing optimum comfort and good posture for those long working hours. But if this chair is still out of your price range, rest assured that Sihoo have kindly hooked us up with a discount code right here that you can use to further reduce the price. However, if it is still too expensive, I would recommend you check out some of their cheaper alternatives on their website. I'll leave all the information in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Now to conclude, at first glance, a chair with a mesh design may not look comfortable, but from my personal experience, I find them to be more supportive than padded chairs. The mesh design provides a firm and supportive structure, and its breathable mesh keeps you cool during the hot days. However, just a heads up, the lumbar support can feel a little intrusive, so it can take some time to adjust the lumbar support based on your liking. But to sum up, I would say the chair has a solid design that provides optimum comfort, so it is safe to say that Sihoo have truly delivered in that department. I will be doing a video comparing the M90D and this M57 ergonomic chair to see if there are any major differences. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.